I want to show you guys one of my best-selling print-on-demand products this holiday season, and it's not what you think because it's not even in Printify's catalog yet. I'm assuming they're eventually going to get these integrated into their catalog. Currently, the only way I know to streamline fulfillment of this print-on-demand product that I'm going to be showing you is using Anywhere POD. Now, stop if you've heard me talk about them before. I actually got to meet Chris, the founder of Anywhere POD, when I was in Latvia for Amplified a couple months back. But they integrate with a bunch of different print-on-demand production partners. Now, I don't want to jump the gun. If you don't have an Anywhere POD account, use my link below to sign up. Once you're in, you can integrate with 3 different sales channels currently. Okay, let's zoom in. The 3 sales channels are Etsy, Shopify, and then new Everbee Store, which is basically a cheaper, more intuitive version of Shopify if you ask me. Nothing against Shopify, by the way, but I've been really liking Everbee Store because you can launch a store in less than a minute using AI, and it basically takes care of all of the theming for you. I've shown you before that I've used Everbee Store to launch theme stores in less than a minute. So put the money where the mouth is there. Now, if you saw my last video where I launched an Everbee Store, you might think some of these images look familiar. That's because I used ChatGPT. I took my Thanksgiving images and I said, hey, make a Christmas version of this. Make it say Merry Christmas and check it out. It's working really nicely. I will say though, it kind of left one pumpkin on that guy's shirt, but besides that, working pretty well. I said, hey, turn this girl wearing her fall theme sweatshirt, holding her pumpkin latte there into the Christmas version. Boom, done. And then one more request. I said, hey, can you make the Christmas version of these shirts? And of course it obliged. Now I teased you about a specific print-on-demand product that I'm excited that we can sell and streamline the entire process, because if we couldn't do that, I don't think I personally would be willing to list these products. And they are from Deco Plate. All right, Deco Plate's catalog I don't think is integrated into Printify yet. I haven't seen it if it is, but it does integrate with Anywhere POD. So once you're in Anywhere POD, go ahead and integrate your sales channels, whether it's Etsy, Shopify, Everbee Store, like in the case of this video. You're also, by the way, you can integrate Printify right down here and check out the other suppliers, Printify, Deco Plate. Those are the 2 I've got connected right here. They support Custom Cat, MWW On Demand, Shine On, T-Launch, and USHA Mercantile. So some pretty interesting products available that are not standard in what I think 99% of people that watch this video use, which is Printful and Printify. So what we're going to do is go over to the left-hand side where it says product catalog. And I just want to make you guys aware, Anywhere POD lets you search for any product type right here. And if you do search for like the word shirt and you have all of the vendors checked, Anywhere POD is going to let you get real-time data on who has the most advantageous price point for the product you're searching for over here on the right-hand side, because they API integrate with all the vendors to get that real-time pricing data and then puts it side by side. I don't know anybody else that's doing that. So I do really love that they have that function built in. But what I really want to do is go back to product catalog. Then here under Deco Plate, I'm going to click dinnerware. Now, be warned that it's my understanding, I'm not 100% sure on this, but T-Launch, which is the first 3 products you see here, and Shine On, I'm pretty sure, are listing the same Deco Plate products at a markup. So if you look, like T-Launch has the platter at $22. Shine On has the platter at $21 or $17 with your subscription. But if you scroll down, Deco Plate, which is free, there's no monthly charge. You do have to register with them though and get what's called a PK number, which their customer service will provide you. If you do all that, it's only $16.50 to start selling these platters, guys. And by the way, when you apply to Deco Plate, just tell them, hey, I'm an experienced print-on-demand seller, etc. Or you could even mention like, hey, like Ryan Hogue dropped a tutorial. I'm using that video as training. I do know that if you drop my name, that their customer service familiar, and they'll probably be, don't quote me, but potentially be more likely to approve you, because not everybody gets approved. They do want more experienced sellers coming through their pipeline as demand for their products grow. Anyways, this platter, $16.50. Don't overpay. One easy way, if you're just watching this video and following this tutorial, just go to vendors on the left-hand side, uncheck everything other than Deco Plate. That way you're not going to accidentally click T-Launch or Shine On and overpay when this product's going to be fulfilled by most likely the same people at Deco Plate. So I wanted to show you guys the plate. That's what you saw here in my shop. I did 3 plates. They look really nice if you ask me. Just click Start Designing. When you get to this screen, it's worth noting Anywhere POD integrates with Canva. If you design in Canva, not only will it pull in your designs, but it pulls them in, including like the design template, as in you can customize the text objects, the graphic objects. It pulls all those into Anywhere POD, and then you can still play around with them in Anywhere POD. For me, I usually just like to have the design completed. So what I'll do is I'll click Add from Library, and then I already uploaded these designs. If you're wondering where I got these designs, by the way, Creative Fabrica. Stop if you've heard me talk about how amazing they are for print-on-demand sellers. You can join for $3.99 as long as that deal is still running. I'll put my link in the description, and then you can check that out because, I mean, I just grabbed a quick bundle, and then I'm adding the personalization to those designs. So you can see here, it says Merry Christmas, the snowy night. I added the text underneath, and you'll get comfortable doing this in Anywhere POD. It's something that just takes a little bit of time, but you can click right here, the text button, and it says add text. When you do that, basically I've got like my kid text right there, the mom text, the dad text, etc. And you can see over there on the right-hand side, if I wanted it to say daddy instead of dad, I just go ahead and type daddy. Okay, you see how that works. You can change this to mommy. No problem, okay? And when I add these text elements, I also want to remember, before I forget, to check this right here for personalized, okay? So I'm gonna click personalized where it says kid. I'm gonna go ahead and click mommy, click personalized, daddy, click personalized, and then dog, click personalized. All right, those are all things that you're gonna want to do because Anywhere POD, if you offer personalization through Etsy, through Everbee Store, it's going to read the personalization field that your customer types, and it's going to use AI to try to put that data in the right place so that you can basically get a one-click approval and save as much time as possible. Really, you don't get paid extra for taking twice as long to get this stuff done, so why not take a shortcut when it's available? For Deco plate products, there are variants, so I usually just select all. So they offer a plate, and then they offer a plate with stand. I think the stand is like $3.50 extra, but I'll show you what I like to do. So I'm going to hit create product down there at the bottom. I'm going to scroll down. The stand, let's see, the stand is an extra $3. So typically what I do is I might go, and these are the SKUs basically. So if this is Etsy, that's what you're going to see in the SKU dropdown. If it's Everbee Store, same thing. It just shows up as a label instead of a dropdown, and it shows up as buttons. I can actually show you guys right here if you want. Or I probably better off not to show this one because it has multiple designs. Let's go to this one right here. So just so you know what to expect, like if you add the plate and the plate with the stand option, you can see it's just buttons, and then the price difference is reflected there in real time. Typically what I'll do is I'll say like plate with stand, and then what I might even do is just mark up the retail price. Actually, it's already marked up double. So you're making an extra $3 profit when you sell it with the stand because Deco plate's only charging you $3, but if you just use the default pricing, you're making an extra $6. And that's something I do on Etsy as well. I usually mark it up like $5. And typically what I'll do is I'll put a parentheses and say like plus $5 if it's Etsy. But since it's already marked up $6, I'll just say plus $6 right here. So people know if they select that option, they're going to pay $6 extra. Now, I can just launch this product as is, and it will basically launch the equivalent of this, where there's one design in one listing, and there's nothing wrong with doing this. On an Everbee Store, I'd probably recommend this, honestly. But if you're pushing to Etsy, I just talked about this in a video I dropped earlier this week. If you add multiple designs to one listing, you typically increase your conversion rate. Now, Deco Plate lets you very easily add multiple designs to one listing and multiple products to one listing. Okay, you can do both. It takes software to do that, or you have to have just a very strong resolve to want to spend a lot of time copy pasting SKUs that you create in Printify. So the shortcut, that's why we're here. Let me show you the shortcut. There is a button that very simply states add variants right here in Anywhere POD. If I click that, what it's going to do is let me add, and again, I can add different products. Let's keep it simple. Let's just add another plate. I'm going to hit start designing. I'm going to go to from library, and then I'm going to add the next design. And by the way, because I already set this up, it has the text down here that says add your family members. If you just add a design from Creative Fabrica, like it's not going to pull in those text elements. So like the way that it would be is like that, where this is what it looked like by default. I clicked add text, I pulled it down, and I say add family members. Okay, and then you can play around with like the size of the text field, etc. Get it how you like. Again, oh yeah, don't forget to check personalized, and then select the variants at the top and hit update product. Now we have 2 variants. Why don't we go ahead and add the third? I'm going to click add variants. I'm going to click plate, library, and then boom, adding the third design. That wasn't the design we just added, right? I feel like it was. Whoops, did I mess this up? All right, let's go ahead, delete this, delete this. Let's go back, replace from library, and it's the fire truck, the red truck. All right, that looks better. We just have to add the variants. I'm going to keep it as is, update product. So now we've got 3 different designs that are all going to be published to our one listing. By the way, they also have mockups over here on the left-hand side. Hit select mockups. I'm going to uncheck on the right the flat background. I actually like when they add the backgrounds here. And you'll notice it only showed 2 designs there. So it's taking a second to generate the extra mockups here for our most recent addition. I'm going to go back to select mockups and boom, there it is. The red fire trucks. All right. Oops. What I want is that. That's what I want. Okay. I'm not going to include the white background. Not that there's anything wrong with the white background. If you push to Amazon, you have to have a white background, but I'm going to go ahead and skip those. You can go ahead and set your title or generate with AI. You have to integrate with OpenAI. This isn't my actual Anywhere POD. I have a second account now for these YouTube videos. So why don't we just say personalized family Christmas plates, decorative plates, something like that. Okay, something like that. You can see there's a default description based on the actual product information from Deco Plate. Their products are really high quality, by the way. They've got some proprietary stuff. They're unbreakable too, and they're made in the USA, which customers love. Coming down here, what I would recommend doing is adding the design as one of the options. Okay, so I'm going to rename this design. Okay, so right here under variants. And then what I'm going to do, and remember this, guys, is up here, you have the ability, you see where it says show hide columns? Click artwork. Now that I did that, I can see what these SKUs correlate to. So the first and second here are the snowy night. So I'm going to call it snowy night. The next 2 are the family, or do we have to call it family? They're all family. Let's just call it fireplace. The next 2 are the red truck. So I'm just going to call it red truck. Okay, whoops. Red truck. Boom, done. The plate with stand, I don't think I saved that before, so let me redo that. Plus $6. Whoops. Sorry, I accidentally zoomed in there. Plate with stand plus $6. Plate with. Then I'm going to hit save in the bottom right corner. So now all of that is also saved. And when we go to the listing after we publish it, they're going to be able to cycle between the different SKUs by selecting the different design options. Okay. And then they also have the option of the plate or the plate with the stand. One last thing you might want to know, you can actually have a video mockup generated. It's going to use your mockups from here to generate the video. If you opt to do the video, I don't think it's as important for Everbee Store as it is for Etsy. Now, that's basically it. I mean, you can generate like tags. It actually has an Etsy analyzer. So if you are publishing to Etsy, they literally will go look at, you give it a seed keyword. Like my seed keyword might be Christmas ornaments or Christmas plate, actually. Christmas plate. And it'll go to Etsy and look at all the top related tags and then return them to you. And you can just check which ones you want to add. So that's another really cool feature here in Anywhere POD. As you can see here, I don't have my Etsy account connected to my demo account, but I do have my Everbee Store account. So I published to Everbee Store. Check it out. Here's our product listing. We have the plate or the plate with stand options right there. We have the snowy night, the fireplace, the red truck. Now, I tried to look into the back end and linking a live image swap based on what SKU that you select here under design. And I don't believe it's enabled yet. You know, Everbee Store is still a relatively new product and they're rapidly implementing enhancements based on our feedback. So it wouldn't surprise me if that's something that's coming. But here in your back end on Everbee Store, if you just go over to the sidebar and you click, go ahead and open the sidebar. Under products, go ahead and click products here. And then you'll notice all your products are listed. I'm going to go ahead and click our decorative plates that we just launched. You can redo the title. You can add your description here, change anything you want. You've got your images all laid out for you here. You've got, if you go over here at the top right, Actually, I just realized I'm hiding the next button. You can either click in the top right, 1, 2, 3, and you can skip around that way, or you can click the next button down here in the bottom right corner. On this one, you have the ability to add pictures for each of your variants, but they're not public facing. I tested that before I recorded, thinking that it might allow me to get that swap to take place in real time. But currently it's not something that's supported. So just wanted to mention that, but you can still like edit variants here. If you need to do anything like that, of course you can do it. Because once you publish from anywhere POD, the SKU is the only thing that's tracked. Okay. The SKU for each combination of design plus other variant, basically the other variant would be plate or no plate. So it's snowy night design, plate or no plate. Like that's all that anywhere POD cares about now that it's published to Everbee Store or Etsy or Shopify. So at this point, any changes you want to make would want to be in the back end of your Everbee Store. The last thing here, you can get a quick preview of what your SEO will look like based on your product information. This is what it'll look like in Google over here on the right-hand side. And of course, up here, you can enable personalization. So you can go ahead and say, enter your personalization and hit update. And boom, guys, we reload our product listing, and you can see we've got the plate with stand. We've got the 3 different design variations. We have the ability to add a personalization right here. So we could add the kid names, the parent names, dog name, etc., and then hit personalize, add it to cart, check out in Everbee. Of course, you have to integrate Stripe with it for payment processing, but that's it, guys. I mean, it's that easy these days to launch a fully customizable store, and it'll use AI to basically do everything for you initially, and then you just perform whatever tweaks you needed. No code. You don't have to write any code. It's a very user-friendly interface on the back end there at Everbee Store. So I'm really liking it, especially now that we have Anywhere POD integrated, and that gives us access to so many POD products. Of course, all of Printify's catalog's in there, but then you've got some of those other vendors that are much lesser known. So I would say, guys, all the links are going to be in the description. Get in there, play around, have some fun, try something new. Those Deco plate products under the dinnerware category, customers love them. And I'd say, hey, check it out. It's working for me. And if it's working for me, I know it'll work for you. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next video.